Do you ever wake up feeling more tired than when you went to bed? It's not your imagination. After 50, getting a good night's rest can feel like a game of chance. Poor sleep isn't a normal part of aging, and with the right steps, you can get the deep, rejuvenating sleep you deserve every night. If you're over 50 and tired of being tired, stick around. We're about to reveal the secrets to improving your sleep starting tonight. First, let's talk about why sleep seems to get trickier as we age. When we're younger, our bodies go through clear sleep cycles: light sleep, deep sleep, and rapid eye movement sleep. But after 50, these cycles can be disrupted. Our bodies produce less melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep, and the result? More light sleep, less deep sleep, and waking up more frequently throughout the night. Now toss in the physical changes we all experience: joint pain, restless legs, bathroom trips, and it's no wonder you're tossing and turning. But here's the good news. Understanding what's happening is the first step to fixing it. You may think a sleep routine is just for kids, but let me tell you, adults over 50 need one just as much. Your body thrives on consistency, especially as you age. That means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, yes, even on weekends. If you're constantly changing your bedtime, you're confusing your body's internal clock, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. So tonight, try setting a regular bedtime. Even if it feels strange at first, give it a week, and you'll start to notice a difference. The more you train your body to expect sleep at a certain time, the more it will cooperate. Now, take a look at your bedroom. Is it set up to help you sleep? After 50, your sensitivity to external factors like noise, light, and even temperature increases. You need to optimize your environment for sleep. Your body temperature naturally drops when you sleep, so keeping the room slightly cooler can signal to your body that it's time to rest. Invest in blackout curtains or an eye mask. Even small amounts of light can interfere with melatonin production. If your home isn't the quietest, try earplugs or a white noise machine. Anything that helps reduce the interruptions that wake you up. If you're serious about improving your sleep, don't underestimate the power of a peaceful bedroom setup. Scrolling through your phone or watching TV in bed? This might be the biggest culprit behind your poor sleep. The blue light emitted from screens blocks the production of melatonin, tricking your brain into thinking it's still daytime. The solution? Cut off screen time at least 1 hour before bed. If you absolutely must use your device, switch on the night mode or use blue light blocking glasses. Trust me, your brain will thank you. What you eat and drink can make or break your chances of getting a good night's rest. We all love our morning coffee, but after 50, caffeine sticks around in your system longer than it used to. Try cutting out caffeinated drinks after noon. A glass of wine might make you feel sleepy, but alcohol actually disrupts your sleep cycle, causing you to wake up more throughout the night. Limit alcohol, especially in the evening. A big dinner can lead to indigestion and discomfort, making it harder to fall asleep. Opt for lighter meals in the evening. And if you need a snack before bed, go for something light, like a banana or a handful of almonds. Exercise is one of the best things you can do for your sleep, especially as you get older. Physical activity helps regulate your internal clock, reduce stress, and tire out your muscles, all factors that contribute to better sleep. Now, this doesn't mean you need to start running marathons. Simple, low-impact exercises like walking, yoga, or swimming are excellent options. Try to aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity most days, but be careful not to work out too close to bedtime. Evening workouts can actually make it harder for you to wind down. Let's face it, aches and pains are common after 50. Arthritis, back pain, and other conditions can make sleep uncomfortable, causing you to toss and turn. If this sounds familiar, the first step is to talk to your doctor. They can recommend treatments, exercises, or even sleep positions that can help relieve the pain at night. For example, if you have back pain, sleeping on your side with a pillow between your knees can help align your spine and ease the pressure on your lower back. Experiment with different pillows and mattresses. What worked for you 20 years ago may not work now. Let's not ignore one of the biggest enemies of sleep: stress. If your mind is racing the moment your head hits the pillow, it's no wonder you can't sleep. Stress and anxiety become more common as we age, whether it's about health, finances, or family, but there are ways to manage it. Start with relaxation techniques. Deep breathing exercises, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation can help calm your mind before bed. Even something as simple as writing down your worries in a journal before bed can take the edge off and help you clear your mind. If you've tried everything and still can't get the sleep you need, consider talking to your doctor about natural supplements that can help. Melatonin supplements are a common choice for people over 50 since your body produces less of it as you age. Magnesium, valerian root, and chamomile are other natural options known to promote relaxation and sleep. But remember, supplements aren't a magic cure. They should be used to complement good sleep hygiene, not replace it. Sometimes the harder you try to sleep, the more elusive it becomes. If you've been lying in bed for 20 minutes and can't fall asleep, get up and do something relaxing. Read a book, listen to soothing music, or practice deep breathing. Once you feel sleepy, go back to bed. Trying to force sleep can create anxiety around bedtime, which only makes the problem worse. So don't worry if you can't fall asleep right away, your body will eventually catch up. Improving your sleep after 50 isn't about finding a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about making small, manageable changes that add up over time. Every little step you take will bring you closer to the restful sleep you deserve. So tonight, don't just settle for another sleepless night. Put these sleep secrets to the test and see for yourself how much better you'll feel. When you wake up refreshed and ready to take on the day,